Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I want to talk to Amberlynn Reid about counting calories. I have been watching Amberlynn since Crystal was around. I was looking through well, I have like a bookshelf over here and it is full of undergrad stuff, and I was trying to make room for the next process of my life. So I was cleaning out folders and gonna clean books off that I don't want, and I happened to run across my human physiology book. I was looking through here and I found a piece of paper that shows the proper way to count calories. So I just wanted to share this with Amber. I mean, this may be something that you already know because I know you count calories, but I just wanted to share this with you or with anybody else who really want to, start losing weight by counting calories. However, I do want to add this. There are many articles, and I will just post one. If you go follow this one link, and I'll put the link in the description box as well. If you follow this one link, it'll lead you to a whole bunch of other things. Sometimes, we just doing research, we just need help getting started. So this one article that I posted, it talks about how people who didn't count calories and they just ate more fruits and vegetables lost more weight than people who were counting calories. It doesn't matter. Everyone weight loss journey, if you are on a weight loss journey, it is different, and some people prefer to be healthier or want to choose healthier options rather than just lose weight. I just wanted to clear that up. You don't necessarily have to count calories in order to lose weight, but I know you are a calorie based person, so I'm just going to go off of what you are trying to do, and I'm going to give you some tips. The first thing you want to do when counting calories, you want to figure out what your base calories are. So in order to do this, now I'm just going to use the last weight that you posted. You weigh 545 times 10, that'd be 5,450. Those are your base calories. Then you want to figure out your activity calories. Now you have three numbers: is 2, 3, or 5. 2 being on the lowest, least activity possible. 5 is when you're most active. So in your case, I just did 2 because active, I don't think right now at this particular point in time you are active, which is fine. It's fine. So I just times 2, which gives you 545 times 2 equals 1,090. So you want to take that number 5,450, 1,090, and you want to add those two together. Once you add those two numbers, you get your maintenance calories. You would consume 6,540 calories every single day to maintain a weight of 545. Now, if anyone else is watching this and think you could use this information, if you're over 50, you want to subtract 10%. Now, this is what I would recommend. You have binge eating disorder. So what I would do in your case, I would just start very small. I would start like subtracting 500 calories in the beginning. Maintain that weight or that goal of calories for, let's say, 2-3 weeks, a month if you have to. Maintain and get your body used to and be comfortable with maintaining just that small number. Then move to 1,000, then move to 1,500, and so forth and so forth and so forth. Slow and steady is going to win this race. You want to cut calories down to 2,400. Your base calories is 6,000. That's a lot. I don't even think I would be able to do that. If we're just being realistic and talking in realistic terms, I don't think that is too much. That will cause you to binge. This is going to be a lifestyle change. It's not just a diet. So what you want to do is count your true calories Just as a normal day, you're not on a diet, take that out your head. Just go about a normal day of life for you. At the end of this day, count all your calories up, including your drinks, because a lot of people don't know that the liquids that we consume they're calorie based too. And from that number that you're comfortable with, where you that won't make you binge, start cutting there. Start cutting, but only cut small calories. Start like with 500, and then maybe you'll have to go to 700, or do 5 increments of 500 at a time. I feel like you have gotten so boggled down into trying to prove to people that you have just completely forgot that a lot of this stuff is easier said than done. It really, truly is. And I can, like, someone left the comments on one of my videos saying that some of my research, I go out and collect up all kind of research for a topic that I want to do, and then I'll present it to the public. Well, they said it's not that easy. Yes, all things are easier said than done. I can tell you to count calories, but the actual doing part is what's complicated. And I just, kind of was like, okay, no one said it was easy. But it's for you to understand. I'm trying to make it easy for you to understand. Because trying to do something that you don't understand, that makes it even harder. If you get too drastic decreases on your calories, that's going to cause you to binge. Because you're just going to be too hungry. If the calories are too low, or you get to any point where you feel like you just can't cut any more calories, it's causing you to binge. The only way you can combat that is if you put activity calories in. So you'll have to start exercising and stuff once you reach that point where you're like, I can't cut any more calories. This is causing me to binge again. So then you have to start increasing your activity. That is the only way to, once you find yourself getting to that point, that'll be the only way that you can combat that. And this may be something you already know, but I just wanted to share this with you and give you, some advice that I don't even know why this was in my book. We never had a test over it or anything, but I wrote it down for some odd reason. And I put that weight is dynamic. Oh, yes, weight is dynamic. So it's good that you're getting on the scale, every Monday or whatever. That's fine. You can keep doing that. But just know your weight is going to fluctuate at least 5 pounds. Once the scale goes over 5 pounds, then you're into real numbers that don't fluctuate. If it's anything below 5 pounds, I wouldn't even consider, don't even talk about it. Don't even waste your time with it, because that's going to come, those 5 pounds will come and go, come and go, come and go, come and go, come and go. The scale says you lost 15 pounds. You want to take away that 5 pound fluctuation cushion that you're giving yourself, because weight is dynamic, and you've really lost 10 pounds. That way it won't be so overwhelming. One day you step on a scale and it's, a pound or 3 heavier. Don't focus on that, because that is normal. Your body is going to do that regardless, and it's not going to change. Nothing you can do will ever be able to change those little 1 to 2 and 3, 4, 5 pound fluctuations. But I really do feel like if, we've got all your base calories, we've calculated in your activity calories, we know how much you need to maintain at least 545 pounds. And I think if you just start with 500 calories, start cutting, get your body used to, not having those extra 500 calories, and then do 1,000. Get your body used to not having those 1,000 calories. Then do 1,500. Eventually you will get to 2,400 calories. And then the beautiful thing about it is you're going slow and steady. You're going to win the race, because you're not doing more than what your body can handle. You're not trying to overload yourself and creating, other detrimental things in the process. You won't have to worry about the skin sagging. Also, intermittent fasting also helps with the sagging of the skin. If you would like to look that up, or if you want me to make a video about it, I can. everything that goes into honestly counting calories. And the big thing is, don't forget your liquids, because liquids do have calories. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, peace, love, and happy thoughts. Bye, guys.